Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday in the daily newspaper. Saturday, July the 29th, 2023. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. The first one I have already solved is the 3-star Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left. The tectonic, one of these binaries, and this one I will solve right now is the Killer Sudoku. Yes, Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 6831. Alright, 6381. Okay, and for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this will be number, not number, 3 stars. This will be a 3 stars puzzle. Yeah. Alright. We have here 2 given numbers, the 2 and the 3. The 2 in the triple box of 9. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 7 then. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. We have a given number 3 in this triple box of 14. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Okay. So let's get started with this puzzle. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. Here we have 1 sharing box. This one also 1 sharing box. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Okay, this one has 1, 2 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has also 1, and this one is complete. Okay, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, 9 plus 11 is 20. We have here 13 plus 3 is 26. 26 plus 20 is, 16 plus 20 is 36. 36, that means that 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9 then. 9 plus 36 is 45. Okay, in this box of 16, the combination here will be 9 plus 7. Okay, this row we have 1 sharing box. Okay, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 10 is 20. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. In a box of 15, the combination here will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, we go back to this row. We have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So double 6, no. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 12 is 34. 34 plus 9. 34 plus 9 is 43. 43, so 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. 45 minus 43, yeah. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Yeah, correct. We go back to the last row. Yes, the last row. 18 plus 8 is 26. Oh, no. This row. Yeah. Double 15, 30. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 30 is 44. Well, that means that this box should be a 1. 45 minus 44 is a 1. Okay. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Alright. And now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. In this big square, we have the box of 3, only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Let me see here. Here. The box of 17, only one combination. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Let me see. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations then. 2 combinations. Let me see here. 2 combinations. In the box of 6, there are 2 combinations. I can use the combination 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4. Double 3 is not allowed, but the 2 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 2 and a 4 here. So it should be 1 and a 5 here. 1 and a 5. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, so 2 combination, but I need to eliminate some numbers here also. Okay. Yeah, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 4, but we already have a 2 here in this big square, so 2 and a 4 I cannot use, so it should be the 1 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 should be in the box of 13. Combination here will be 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay. Let me see. The box of 15. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. 8 and a 7 is already used in this row. So I cannot use the 8 and the 7 here. So it should be the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Okay. Here, the box of 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5. And 2 plus 4. Well, the 1 and the 5 is already used in this big square, so it should be 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 3, 8, and 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 plus 3 is 10. And the 8 is missing. Plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column. No 8 there. Here and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this second column. So no 8 there. So the 8 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are there. Well, 3 and the 7. Here also 2 missing numbers in the second column. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. So the 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. The 1 is left in this big square for number 3. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. That means one digit left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. No. 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14. Otherwise I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. In the box of 10, the combination here will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 9 and 8, we have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, so we need 8 here. We have 8 in this row. 8 in this middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, I need minus 2. Well, the lowest number I can use is number 1, so I cannot place minus numbers. Minus 2 numbers, yes. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 3. The 3 is already used in this big square, so the 8 should be there. In the box of 15, combination will be 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Alright, now we have one sharing box in this big square. If we count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 23 is 30. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 30 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Right. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be in one of these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes together should be 11. So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, plus 3 is equal to 14. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 6, so it should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for us. The 1 and a 5 are left. 1 and a 5. Here we have a pair. That means one number left in the middle row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. And let me see. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 2. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 7 could be here, could be there. In the box of 8, combination will be 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 7 should be in the box of 8. Combination 7 and a 1. 7 and 1. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. So it should be in the box of 14. Combination will be 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and then 9 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 5. The 5 is already used in this big square. So the 2 should be in the box of 8. Combination will be 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Well. Okay. So we have an 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there in the box of 14. Combination will be 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7, of course, so it should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 and 6, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 8. 4 and the 8. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. Last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there in the box of 11. The combination will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So here we have a 4 and an 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes in the box of 10. The combination here will be 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Double check. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. 20 to 30 minutes. Wow. It's not an 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. But I'm not faster than 15 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the taxonomic. Until then, bye-bye for now.